Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install Flask in any project in Pycharm. This is a new project that I have created in Pycharm. In its main.py file, I am going to import Flask and will show you whether Flask is already installed. So I go at the top and over here, I import Flask. Now I'm going to run main.py file. And you can see it says module not found error, no module named Flask. So let me show you how to install Flask in Pycharm. You can of course install it by clicking on this label which says install package, but I'll show you a better way to do it. Come to the left hand side of the Pycharm screen where you see these icons. Hover over the third icon which says Python packages and then click on it. Here in the search bar, type Flask. You may see many packages with the name Flask, but make sure you install the one simply called Flask because that's the official library. So click on this first one which says Flask and then come to the right hand side of the Pycharm screen. Here you are going to find the install button. By clicking on it, you are going to install the latest version of the Flask library. But if you want to install a particular version, then click on this drop down. Select that version and then click on install. But for this video, I am going to go ahead with the installation of the latest version of the Flask library. So let me click on install and you can see the installation of the Flask library has begun in Pycharm. And there you go, the installation is finished. If you have noticed, the red line below Flask is now gone. So let's test its installation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply run this file main.py. We are importing Flask over here. If it runs successfully, that means Flask is successfully installed. So let me run this. And there you go, it has printed hi Pycharm. It has printed hi Pycharm from this function print_hi. The import Flask statement and break, that means Flask is successfully installed in this project in Pycharm. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Flask in any project in Pycharm from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.